Hello children and good morning to all of you. Okay children, today we are going to do day 8 of our month book 4. Today we are going to do day 8. Now we are in which season? अभी कौन सी season चल रही है? It is winter and it is outside. It is freezing cold. बाहर ठंडा है. So do take care of yourself. बहुत ज़्यादा अपना ध्यान रखो. Do exercise. Do eat properly. Okay. Now when we come in the book on day 8, we are again having a practice worksheet page of writing the letter N. यहाँ पे एक और worksheet page है writing letter N. So this is the capital N and this is the small n. So one more time we are going to learn the formation of letter N. So N formation is you have to start from the second blue line. You have to go up making a standing line. Then from here you have to make a slant line till the blue line and again you have to make a standing line. So this is the formation of letter N. पर अगर आपको ये करने में मुश्किल हो रहा है तो the easy way is to you make two standing lines. एक standing line बनाया, थोड़ी जगह रख के दूसरी standing line बना दीजिए. And then from the top यहाँ से जो फर्स्ट लाइन है ना standing line वहाँ से दूसरी लाइन तक ऐसे एक slant line बना दीजिए. This is again the letter N. तो you might find this easy, but ये दोनों लाइन स्टैंडिंग ही होनी चाहिए. When you write the letter M or N, even M also आप कैसे कर सकते हो? Make two standing line and then बीच में उसको एक V बना दीजिए. This way, I think it might be more easy for you. Now coming on to the small letter N, standing line बनानी है between the two blue line और एक bumpy pattern देना है. The standing line should be there. Standing line and then a bumpy pattern. Okay, so here in the book you have to press and finish up writing the letter N. Now moving on to the next page, we have a new English rhyme, that is Mary had a little lamb. So we are going to do with action. Mary had a little lamb, little lamb, little lamb. Its fleece was white as snow, and everywhere that Mary went, the lamb was sure to go. It followed her to school one day, which was against the rule. It made the children laugh and play to see the lamb at school. Okay children, so this is a new rhyme that we are learning. So you have to practice it every day, do the revision of it. Now again another page is you have that is of trace and write the letter N. So you have to complete with this page. Now turning on to another page, we are going to learn a concept in maths that is empty and full. Empty का मतलब रहता है खाली and full is when it is filled up with something. यहाँ पे आपको पिक्चर दिखाई है कि यहाँ पे two buckets है. तो एक बकेट में कुछ नहीं दिख रहा है and the another bucket is full of star and different shapes. तो this is empty and this is full. Now here below, each of the picture below is either full or empty. Draw a line from the full box to the each of the item that are full and then draw a line from the box to each of the box items that are empty. So आपने क्या करना है, आपने जो empty है उसे empty word तक लेके जाना है and जो full things है that you have to bring till the word full. तो now full is F-U-L-L means full. Yeah, just remember it starts with the letter F or empty starts with the letter E. E for empty. तो उन्होंने एक आपको करके दिखाया है कि empty ये चीज empty है bucket, तो उसने यहाँ पे एक dots बनाए हैं. So just trace it out. Now this is a garbage. तो ये full भरा हुआ है ना, the garbage bag. तो ये हम full के साथ join करेंगे. That is with letter F. तो आपने उसको F के साथ join करना है. Now this is another box full of color pens. तो ये भी full है. So we are again going to make a line from F-U-L-L full till the box. Now coming on to the another picture, ये एक brief case है जो खाली है, उसमें कुछ भी नहीं है, that is empty. तो empty को हम e के साथ, that is e वाला जो word है, we are going to match it. We have to make a line over that. Then this is a egg case, जहाँ पे कोई भी egg नहीं है, वो खाली है पूरा box, तो वो भी empty है. तो you have to make a line from the box till the word empty. This is already done. Now the another is a basket that is full of fruits. तो ये full है, the basket is full. So we are going to make a line like this till the word full. Then here again this container is also filled with some liquid. तो ये भी full है. Okay, so this is empty actually. It's just a color of the bin inside. So it is an empty one. So we are just going to make a line over here till the word empty. Now another is a box. That is a toy box. जो toy box है वो पूरा full है. So it is, we are going to make a line from here till the word full. Then this is again a box that is empty. ये भी एक box है जो empty है. तो again we are going to make a line till empty. तो ये empty तक एक line बनानी है. So carefully make the lines with the help of your parents. Okay. So again I have just shown you how what is empty and what is full. So now here in this basket there are two baskets given. So when we are learning this we have two pictures. So ये picture जब आप देखोगे there are lots of mangoes over here, but there is nothing inside it. So what we'll do, we will just tick the empty one, a full one. हम full को tick करेंगे और जो खाली है that is empty है उसको हम एक cross देंगे. So this is full and this is empty. Now there is a flower vase. In this flower vase there are flowers, but in here there are no. So when the full we will put one tick mark and the empty one will put one cross. Okay children, I hope you are clear with the concept empty and full. And this you can do seeing many things at your home. When you fill up the glass you say that it's a full glass. When you drink up the whole of the water and it is complete, you have finished up with the water in the glass, तो आप उसको बोलेंगे this is empty glass. So this is the way when you compare and you come to the concept empty and full. Now in maths notebook you have to just give a heading homework. आपने एक homework heading देना है. You don't have to write maths notebook. वो तो आपको बताने के लिए ये कहाँ करना है. And you have square over there. So here we are going to write the number notation 1. हम 1 का spelling लिखने वाले हैं. So here you have to suppose this is as a margin. तो margin की left side आपने कभी नहीं लिखना है. As I always say, margin की left side कभी नहीं लिखना. You start from the right side of the margin. तो आपने क्या करना है, आपने पहले वहाँ 1 लिखना है. Then make a slipping line in another box. Now you are going to use each box for writing each thing. पहले एक बॉक्स में 1 लिखा, फिर एक बॉक्स में स्लिपिंग लाइन बनाया. Then we are going to write O-N-E-1. हमने each बॉक्स में लिखा है. Then you go like this. O-N-E-1. You have to complete the page writing like this. O-N-E-1. So in day 8 you have the 2 worksheet page of writing the letter N. Then we have learned a new rhyme, that is Mary had a little lamb, and a new concept, that is empty and full. So do the revision of all the oral words and do the writing part as well and do the homework. Bye bye and see you.